Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your Roblox profile picture. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com and log in, then click your avatar icon or profile on the left side. Then, this takes you to your main profile page. On your profile, look for your big avatar preview. Hover your mouse over your avatar and click the camera icon that appears. Then, this opens the profile picture editor where you can customize your pose and angle. Use your mouse to rotate your avatar left or right. Scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. You can also click pose to pick a different stance for your avatar. Choose the angle and zoom level you want for your profile picture. Once you're happy with the pose and angle, click save. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.